what kind of mentor, coach, or teacher you are for yourself. Are you a truth coach? What kind of truth? Is it the kind of truth that makes you grow? Or is it the kind of truth that you see what's real and what's not? Or is it the kind of truth that puts you in the mode that gets you motivated, inspired to grow more into that reality? Since every action you take is teaching yourself. So when somebody walks by and you judge them somehow, you are actually teaching yourself that others are judging you. So that's why I tell, at least to myself, come to a frame of non-judgment. A non-judgmental frame anywhere you go. Wherever you go, there you are. That's so important. Because otherwise, you kind of are not allowing your headspace to be freely flowing if you have to manage or manager the perceptions of others. Stop that. And expand your headspace from that non-judgmental frame. Then you are free to go, then you are free to flow. But at the same time, even if you go anywhere or see a new person or re-meet, every time, every day you see the same person, but you come from a non-judgmental frame, at the same time you gotta have boundaries and high standards. That's what you do, and what you allow yourself to do upon certain circumstances. Even you have those high boundaries, high standards, you can still be non-judgmental to others. Since those boundaries are up to yourself. It's when you take action. It's when you go, or it's when you meet something that's up to your standards. But you can still allow your headspace to be more free and expansive and more spacious when you are not concerned of those judgments. Because the only commodity is time, and most of the time that flows by, it's up to here. It's up to what's going up here. And when that fleeting moments goes by, you just gotta be ready. You gotta have the capacity, that free space to take action. When it's up to your boundaries, up to your standards. With this touch, you teach yourself, you coach yourself, you mentor yourself. But don't forget that it's always good to ask for help, because nobody of us knows everything. In any area there is some person who does something better. Yeah, that's right. And when you have that discipline, that you hold yourself accountable to certain boundaries and standards, then you can make a relationship with a mentor. Because they know that you got something. And now you too can expand it even further. The other one can confirm your discipline into growth mode and encourage it. Go beyond. Go beyond every expectation that you even imagined for yourself. Go beyond imagination. But it starts with your self-coaching, self-development, and teaching yourself the right mindset of disciplines. With these thoughts, peace out.